What if I told you there's a powerful AI filmmaking tool hidden inside your Google account that most people have never even noticed? And the craziest part? It's completely free. With just a single sentence, it can create an entire cinematic story with consistent characters, scenes, and animations in minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, step by step. Now, let's get started. We'll be using Google Flow. Simply search for it, sign in with your Google account, and click New Project. From the left sidebar, open Tools, scroll down to Storyboard Studio, select your preferred visual style. I'm choosing 3D animation for a cinematic look, then click Get Started. Once the workspace opens, you'll see three main sections: Script, Assets, and Storyboard. In the Script section, just describe your story idea in 1 or 2 sentences. For this tutorial, I'm creating a story about a poor girl and her sheep who discovers a hidden treasure on a beach and completely change their lives. Of course, you can write any story idea you want, and the AI will turn it into a complete film. Once you've written your idea, press Enter, and Google Flow will automatically turn it into a complete story. It doesn't just write a script. It also generates a title, breaks the story into different scenes, creates the characters, and organizes everything for you automatically using its built-in AI. Now, open the Assets section. It will be empty at first. Simply click Autofill Characters, and within a few seconds, your main character will be generated and kept consistent throughout the entire story. If you want, you can also edit your characters. Now do the same for locations and props. Just click Autofill for each one, and Google Flow will automatically generate all the visuals you need, including the locations, props, and other story elements, ready to use in your project. Now it's time to build a movie. Open the Storyboard section and click Autofill Scenes. Google Flow will use your script and all the generated assets to automatically create every scene of your story. Within just a few minutes, your entire storyboard will be ready, no matter how long or detailed your story is. As you can see, all the images for my story have now been generated, from the very first scene to the last. Now comes the most exciting part, turning these images into a complete video. Go back to the Script section and open the Scenes tab. Here, you'll find the motion prompt for every generated scene. Copy the prompt for the first scene. Next, open All Media, where you'll see all of your generated images. Select the first image, click Add to Prompt, paste the motion prompt, and open the settings. Enable the video option and select OmniFlash as the video model. It uses fewer credits, and Google Flow also gives you free credits every day. Finally, choose the video duration and click Generate. Now, simply repeat the same process for the remaining scenes until every part of your story has been turned into a video. Once you've generated all the scenes, your complete animated story is ready, from beginning to end, all created inside a single free tool with built-in audio support. Just check out the result.
Come on, Barnaby. We need branches for a fire tonight. Maybe tomorrow we'll find something. Barnaby! Get out of there! You'll get stuck when the tide turns! Barnaby! Get out of there! You'll get stuck when the tide turns! What is that? We aren't going back to the hut.
You are such a good boy. Look at those big ships. Barnaby, this is the life I dreamed of. Now we are not poor anymore. Arthur, help us in repairing our home.
Honestly, the results are impressive, especially for a tool that's completely free. If you want even better quality and the ability to export your videos in 4K, you can use Runway AI, which gives you access to powerful models like Seedance and other advanced video generation models to create even more cinematic results. And that's the complete workflow. Now you know how to turn a simple idea into a fully animated story using AI. So don't just watch, start creating your own stories and bring your ideas to life. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and share your story ideas in the comments. I'd love to see what you create. I'm Trixie and you're watching Nexa AI. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.